your own insecurities, on your own weaknesses. To say too that this is a good maybe turn in our conversation here, but to say you have no weaknesses or no areas of improvement is your ego blocking you from understanding your fullest potential. What areas in your own trading in the last year do you think you made the most improvement in? What do you think you were weakest at and you've now become really good at?
I think my routine definitely,
why?
That has been like, that was a weakness of mine and I've turned it into one of my biggest strengths. I think because I started to, like, just because money was coming quite freely to me when I started to scale up my trading account. I think I just started to just go out of routine. I was like, I can trade at the Asian session.
Get a little comfortable.
Exactly. Get a little comfortable because I can trade the Asian session if I want. I can trade before the London sessions even started. I can do those things. It becomes easy.
Right.
Easy.
Right.
And sorry for the guys listening, I'm putting
air quotes.
Air quotes. Yeah. So I think for me, I really nailed down my routine and like going to the gym before hitting the trading desk, trading certain hours and stuff like that, because I was doing that before I started to scale up quite big. And then what happened was, as you say, it becomes too easy, becomes comfortable. But I think that's for my trading for 2021, I really knuckled down on my routine, getting back into routine, and made that my strength, one of my good strengths again. And yourself, what do you think?
Yeah, I would say my biggest thing is being more open-minded. I thought I was open-minded, and I think I was, but I'm now being more open-minded because now you've seen my trading evolve. I'm not just trading Forex anymore. I'm trading indices and crypto over the last 6 to 8 months. So majority of the year, I've been studying, if not actively trading these things, and it's made my trading so much better. So it makes me look back on myself and question, was I actually being open-minded, or was I being a stubborn Forex trader thinking Forex is the only thing? You know what I mean? So I think I'm going to continue to challenge my open-mindedness going into the future. Go.
So, and also with you being going, as your brother likes to say, going public with the prop trading. Now that you're putting out your videos on getting funded and stuff like that, I mean, that's something that you were very skeptical about, and now you're like, okay, cool, cool.
Fuck yeah, you're right, bro. Good call. Another one right there. Me being closed-minded off the jump initially. That's why you've got how many funded accounts and I've got one. I was more closed-minded than you were. So I'm constantly challenging myself to be less closed-minded, less cynical, skeptical. Okay, maybe a little bit less of it, but still skeptical.
It's good to be skeptical.
No cynical. I'm not cynical. I'm optimism Austin, bro. Like I'm bullish on everything. You know what I mean? I'm bullish on life. That's what I'm telling everybody.
I think but that's a good mindset. It's a good mindset. Bro. I mean, but even in general, just to go slightly off topic, then I want to go ask you a couple of questions. I mean, how draining is it to sit around negative people with a negative outlook on life? It's so draining.
Feels heavy, bro. I've never been around. I mean, I've been around negative people my whole life in different ways, different times, right? But as I've
sometimes you can't help because they could be family.
Facts, bro. That's exactly what I'm thinking about right now. I think sometimes as you get older, and maybe just the spiritual journey that I've been on for myself over the last 2 years, I can feel people's energy more. And I think I've always felt their energy, but I think I tuned it out because I didn't think you could. You know what I mean? Society tells you like energy is not a real thing. You can't pay attention to that. But no, it definitely is. And it's becoming more and more talked about now. I think
in your
subconscious, right? And like I recently have been with certain people out at social things, and you can feel the negative energy. It feels like weight on your body. And then when they leave the room, or you leave the room, or you leave the party, or you leave the event, it feels lighter. And you're like, what is that feeling? That feeling is negativity. Negativity is like a cancer, bro. I mean, I bet everybody knows somebody that has cancer. I think you can make yourself sick, stressing yourself out, creating that chemical response in your body. It leads to cancer cell growth. It's science, right? There's real science in that. And at the same time, to say that you can make yourself sick, I think you can make yourself healthy with the right mindset, with the right perspective. So I think you have to be mentally strong first and foremost. And that's what kind of keeps everything in balance. And